Hello viewers, you're welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to solve this radical equation. This is tricky. A majority of students feel this. So let's see how we can solve this in two methods. So the first method is this. We have this equation here. So we want to find the value of x. Solution. Let a be equals to square root of x over 2. Now you can see that if I pick this second one here, the square root of x over 8 can be like square root of x over 2 multiplied by 4 can also be square root of x over 2 and multiplied by 1 over what? 1 over 4. Understood? So now from there, you can see that we're going to have taking the square root of this one inside. So that will be 1 over 2. Okay, then the square root of what? X over 2. And when you look at this, you can see that at last, since we've already said a to be square root of x over 2, so it means that we're going to have this to be 1 over 2, then a. So which means we have what? We have this to be equals to this. Alright, so let's now put this in the main equation. Now the main equation is whenever you see square root of x over 2, we're going to have a becomes this plus the square root of x over 8. That will give us 1 over 2a. That is what we have there. Then equals what? Equals 6. So moving on. So the next thing we're going to do, let's try to clear the fraction by multiplying 2 by all the terms. We have 2 multiplying a plus 2 multiplying 1 over 2a, then equals 2 multiplying 6. So from there, you're going to have 2a and plus, you know that this, we cancel this. Then you're going to have what? You're going to have a, then equals 2 times 6. That will give us what? That will give us 12. Isn't it? So from there, the next thing we're going to do, so we're going to have 2a plus 3a, plus a, we have 3a, then equals what? Equals 12. So now from there, you divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. So you see that this will cancel this. Then we are left with what? We are left with a equals 12 divided by 3, we have 4. So a is 4. But don't forget that it's not what? It's not a we are looking for. So we are looking for the value of x. So we need to go back to where we replace a by square root of x over 2. Or yes, you have to recall that a is equals to the square root of x over 2. Now a is now 4. We have 4 will now be equals to square root of x over 2. Then the next thing is to square the both sides. So if you want to square the both sides, you know this, we cancel this. Then we have what? We have x over 2 will be equals to 16 because 4 square is 16. Let me write it square. Then we have x will be 2 multiplied by 16. Then we have x to be what? X to be 32. So we have what? We have the value of x to be 32. Alright, so method 2, we have square root of x over 2 plus square root of x over 8 equals 6. So we're going to have what? We're going to have square root of x over 2 plus, now here, you know, we can have the square root of x over 2 times 4 equals 6. So we can have this to be square root of x over 2 plus square root of x over 2 multiply by 1/4, which is equals 6. Okay, so we have the square root of x over 2, then plus, you can have the square root of x over 2, now multiplying the square root of 1/4. You can separate it like this, then equals 6. So now from here, you can see that we have something common. This and this is common. We have to factor it out, x over 2 into this divided by this, that will be 1. So it means we're going to have 1 inside plus, now everything here divided by this, we are going to be having square root of 1/4 left. So that will be square root of what? Square root of, and you know that the square root of 1/4 is same thing as 1 over what? 1/2, then equals 6. Okay, so we have what? We have this to be the square root of x over 2 into 1 plus 1/2, that is what? That is 3/2, then equals to 6. So from there, we're going to have what? We're going to have the square root of x over 2, all right, multiplying 3. To clear the fraction, that means we need to multiply all through by what? By 2. So it means that we're going to multiply this by 2, that is this 2 here, then equals 2 times 6. So from there, then we have divided by 2 here. So now this 2, we cancel this 2. We're going to have square root of what? X over 2. All right. Multiply by 3, then equals 12. So now from there, we divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. This, we cancel this. Then we're going to have the square root of x over 2 will now be 4. Now to clear this square root, we're going to square the both sides like this. Then squaring it, we're going to have x over 2 equals 16. Because when you square 4, we have 16. Then we have x equals 2 times 16. And we have x to be 32. And that's the solution to the problem. And let's see if we try to check whether it's 32. Check. So now let's check the square root of 32 over 2 plus square root of 32 over 8. Would that give us 6? So 32 divided by 2 is what? Is 16. That is square root of 16 plus 32 divided by 4. By divided by 8, we're going to have 4. That is square root of 4. Will it give us 6? Okay, so we have what? We have the square root of 16, that is 4, plus the square root of 4, that is 2. Would this give us 6? So yes, 4 plus 2 is 6 equals 6. So which means that x equals what? 32 is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can learn from it. Consider subscribing if you are just watching our video for the first time. Bye bye.